So hello guys, let's play card, and this is back, and let's make a fixie deck. So let's do this. So let's modify the bit.
And speaking about starting over again, Mang Lore,
I can't modify this, so let's modify the bikes.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Stop what you're doing.
nasyak ako.
Son?
Yan na mga bata. Ayun si Kuno. Iyo. Yung mga ayun si ano. Bilis. Tayo makaliti. Ano pala yung anak mo? Sama. Mga Christmas ng
Ay, sorry.
hindi ba?
Oo, yung mga anak rin ng mga killer dahil wala na sa kanila.
Killer?
Oo, mga anak na yung itong suspect. Mayroon po yung anak, may sarili po anak, tapos pumatay ka ng bata.
So it's done now.
Left.
Oh, yeah, no, it hasn't had. Nice cats. And that's got the crowd interested in. She's been taken walled by this. Oh, I tell you what, I could have done with that. Beforehand again. coming.
So guys, that's it for